let the day reveal itself, and it's most likely a trading range because this was a big up. It
Okay,
should be
15
here.
minutes bar. Okay, seems above the close of yesterday, slightly above, and then it's a bear bar so far, but it's not a good sell because it's close to moving average, and rarely that the first bar is a good sell. Okay, second bar is breaking below the moving average, but I think now we'll see that whether it will close below the open of the week. Open of the week is always a magnet. Okay, so Tim mentioned that okay, this is the go
Dow
black slow.
still looking
So
for
we did two
432.
ticks
I think that's where
lower
we're
than the go
headed
black slow.
towards.
So likely that any pullback will be sold by the bears. If I
Always
were
in
to
short,
sell
but no
here,
good entry yet, and not really
the
sure if it's a trading range or bear trend, but I think it's a trading range.
the stop loss is a bit high for my liking.
Now that the Globex low is tested, and
Yeah, I do want to short now, but so far I just find all the important support here
this
and
was a
also
measuring gap
support
yesterday,
here, the moving
and a
average of
measuring
200.
gap will.
Yeah, and so for this kind of move this high and
We're
this
low in the trading
low,
range. If you're
likely
looking
that
at this,
this is a measure move. So the targets might be oh 06 or oh 07
but
here.
if you're looking at this, we
Measure
might
move
want to
from the
test
30
all the way
minutes.
down to yesterday's lower range.
So the price now has gone one tick below the measure move, so below the measure move, and I might enter here. So because it's so strong that I actually sell the market, hoping for a breakout, like continue here. So I place a stop loss above bar 3 and targets either at 93 or here. 93 is the 2 times 2R measure move, 2R, and then this is the important gap here, whether we'll close the gap here. But as I place the market sell, it pull back. We'll see whether
Yeah, that's a trading range follow through. Bar 4 with the.
so this reverse back here means that we are in big trending range, but not yet clear bull trend. But it might be bull trend later on. But yeah, nothing to buy for now yet. We'll see.
Good follow through
Again,
5. Without that,
I'm not
there's nothing
confident
really
in doing
to sell
market
for a
sell
swing.
or
This
market
is
order.
limit order scalping right
Still,
now. We tested
it's my
exactly the
mistake.
start
I should
where I
wait
said we
for
were going
the
to
bar to
test.
close
That was the start of the channel. Well, if you have a
I
spike and channel
decide to
bull
move.
trend and you test the low of the spike,
Mistake.
you test the low of the
Blunder.
channel, size of the channel. So that was the first
Mistake of
target there
impatience.
for the bulls to bounce.
And I think pre-market I wasn't prepared mentally and emotionally as well. I was actually just arguing with my friend, which is not great. So I need to fix the mistake. All right. So yeah,
You could be long for that target,
I got
but
stop
I
up
think
here.
tricky to be long.
2 points above the bar number 3. Yeah, I think that was like I don't know how many points is that. Here to here, 19 points.
You have 2 legs down
It was
and you
really
have 3 legs
stupid. It
up.
was a freaking
So
stupid
that would
mistake.
be a wedge pullback
I
from this
shouldn't
short.
trade when my emotions, my
This would be a
mind's not
second leg
right.
trap from the
Okay,
bears.
don't do that again, Jeff. Okay, so I just make a new rule for myself. Before the market, okay, I should do an emotional check, right? So market open around 9:30. So by 8, I should be preparing 8:30. I should be preparing or at least rest. And before market, if my emotions, I'm not calm, I'm not clear-headed, if I'm not at least, if I'm tired, I cannot trade. This is the rule for myself. Okay, so today, in a way, it's good that it makes me have this new implementation rule. Okay, so if my emotional level is charged, I cannot trade. Okay, this is the takeaway for today. So that means that even now my trade has finished, my emotion is still not calm yet. I cannot trade.
Sell it
So today
if it
onwards, for
does
the
break
next
out there,
1.5
then I
hour,
think we
I
can
cannot trade.
actually
Okay,
go
I will just
lower,
monitor the markets.
open of the day, and one tick above. But
So
this is
actually,
probably
this
as
bar,
far
I
as
think
the bulls will take it.
bull
Many of
will
them will
actually
start
use this
taking
bar
profits here.
to take profits, and then bears will use this to sell likely, right?
Still a trading
Yeah,
range.
so see,
Since the
bar
start,
11 and bar 12
or
is
since the
obviously
channel from the bull trend began to get bad follow through,
profit
it is a
take
range,
signal
and it's
for
now
the
this low,
bull.
that high. I think we're
you can
going
see
higher.
that bar 12.
12
Okay, so for this
is a
trading
second
range,
entry
the
short.
best place
First
to
entry short was
buy
8.
would be where the
And if
bear
it's a
lost
trading
money.
range, the bears sell below
So
12 when they get back to the
this
low
is
of
the
8. I
entry
think that's
bar
too
one
far.
tick below one bar one. So
I want to
bears
see
sell
if the
here,
bulls can
right?
continue this move
So
up.
when do they stop
I want to be,
lose money? Here.
but at the
So I
best price
think after
possible, and
bar
I don't
10
think one tick below 12 is
here,
going to be the best price possible.
we can
It
look
could
at
be.
bar.
Without that, you're
And
not
looking
in a
at
breakout long.
60-minute chart.
It's more a pullback from a fall below the Globex low. So this is too high to buy in that regard.
Crossed the moving average. So if it doesn't cross,
Nothing is clear.
likely
Everything
now
is limit order sell. Making money by
only
buying
when clear
small and
above
scaling
and
it.
have a follow through, probably then it's a clear
Except
signal
the
that
bulls
it's
that bought
bull
above 5, I have
reversal.
to say.